Presenting OnePlus Bullets Z2 wireless in-ear earphones. It is available in the colors black, blue, green and red. The neckband delivers up to 30 hours of non-stop music on a single charge. In addition to that, it provides 20 hours of immersive audio playback with 10-minute charge. The 12.4mm bass driver delivers uncompromisingly deep bass for powerful beats. Additionally, experience incredibly rich audio detail at every frequency with the titanium coating dome. The anti-distortion audio technology ensures your audio playtime stays silky smooth. In addition to that, the larger sound cavity and industry-leading algorithms makes sure the notes remain distortion-free. Furthermore, it is IP55 rated, which makes it water and sweat resistant. The box contains earphones, ear cushions, warranty and safety card and a Type-C charging cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.